You know, sometimes in life we like to get too ahead of ourselves. It's always a good idea to take a step back, you know. It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. It's just a minor setback from major comeback. Oh, nah, he got his girl up against the wall. Stay strong, little homie. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't I know why I began love everywhere I go? Because I really show love back to the trenches, you heard? Really take care of them demons. Yo, I gave you some food! That's tough. They got you locked up for life, my boy. The hell wrong with you? Hey, yo! Man, I'm gonna miss you, Simba. You getting released back to the jungle, King. You ready? Oh, hell no. Hey, yo!